Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory Experiment-3 Viva Questions on Draw the projections of straight lines in simple positions and incline to one plane. Let us see the first question. When the line is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, its true length can be obtained in. Let us see this figure. Here the given question is line AB. Let us assume line AB. This is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Its true length can be obtained in both views, that is front view, that is A dash B dash, and top view AB. So the correct answer is both top view and front view. Question number 2. If a straight line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, its top view is dash. Let us see this pictorial view. Let us assume line AB. This is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Its top view is point, that is A end is visible, B end is invisible. So you can represent as A of B. So the answer is point. Question number 3. A line is perpendicular to HP. Which view gives the actual length of the line? Here also I have taken this pictorial view. This is similar like previous one. Let us take line AB. This is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. In this case, its actual length appear in only front view, that is A dash B dash. Top is point A of B. So the correct answer is front view. Question number 4. If a line AB is parallel to both the horizontal plane and vertical plane, then the line AB is perpendicular to dash plane. This is similar like first problem. Here the line AB parallel to both HP and VP. In this case, front view and top view gives the true length. This line is perpendicular to profile plane. Here the profile plane means that plane perpendicular to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. So the correct answer is profile plane. Question number 5. Which command is used to draw the vertical construction lines in AutoCAD? The correct answer is construction line or shortcut key XLINE. By using construction line, we can draw the horizontal infinity lines, vertical infinity lines, inclined infinity lines, and offset infinity lines, and bisect lines also. So the correct answer is construction line or XL enter. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.